Okay, as far as cosmetic dentistry, I say everything's cosmetic dentistry. I mean, where do you want me to put an ugly restoration? Nobody wants one. But of course, it's more important when it's right in view. But the exciting thing about today's dentistry is just the technology. You always need somebody who's got good hands because it is an artistic undertaking. But the technology we have today is so much better. Crowns today have a lot of translucency. The conventional crowns that are used routinely in dentistry, underneath there's a metal coping that covers the tooth and supports it, seals out decay. Over the top, you put porcelain, but the metal is dark. So what do? You paint it white. You put an opaquer on it. Then you've got to lay porcelain on there to cover up the white, and all too often it looks like a white stone, like a rock. You know, it's totally solid. Well, with the new ones, there's no metal. So they look like real teeth. And I've got the best ceramist that I've ever had in my career. And she comes in and she will use a little easel and she'll paint, because the color of the tooth at the gum line and the body and at the edge is different. And the hardest thing for us to do is to take one tooth and replace that one crown. But we really know, and this does happen, where we'll do that and we put it in, we rest it in place, and we hand the patient the mirror, and the patient says, which one was it? We're like, yeah, we got it. So it's pretty exciting to be able to do that kind of thing for people.